Welcome to our channel. Today, we're bringing you a recipe that will tantalize your taste buds and impress your guests: Mediterranean baked feta. This dish, both simple and flavorful, is perfect for appetizers, social gatherings, or even a starter at dinner. Get ready to learn how to transform a simple block of feta into a creamy and aromatic delight. In this video, we'll guide you step by step through the preparation of Mediterranean baked feta. Here's what you will learn. Essential ingredients: feta, of course, juicy cherry tomatoes, flavorful Kalamata olives, fresh herbs like thyme and oregano, high-quality extra virgin olive oil. Easy preparation. We'll show you how to assemble all the ingredients in an oven-safe dish to create a harmony of Mediterranean flavors. You'll see how simple and quick it is. Perfect baking. Discover the secret to achieving a golden, melty feta that will melt in your mouth. We'll also give you tips on how to customize the recipe to suit your taste. Delicious accompaniments. What to serve with your baked feta? We'll suggest accompaniment ideas like grilled pita slices, crunchy vegetables, or even crackers. Key takeaways: baked feta is not only delicious, but also visually appealing, making it an excellent choice for appetizers. This recipe is adaptable. Add your favorite vegetables or change herbs for a personal touch. The combination of creamy feta, sweet tomatoes, and salty olives creates a perfect balance of flavors that everyone will love. By following this recipe, you'll not only learn to prepare a tasty Mediterranean dish, but you'll also discover cooking techniques and seasoning tips that will broaden your culinary repertoire. Whether you're a novice cook or an experienced chef, this video will bring you inspiration and joy in the kitchen. Enjoy the process and bon appetit!